Hey guys, here Carlos Valenzuela from Digital Chaos. Today I would like to review a product with you that is called Golden Stash. Well, Golden Stash is a unique system that enables users to turn $10 into 250 over and over again by listing certain domain names for sale. What makes this product unique is that it follows the case study of Jamie and three students along the way. Well, I call them Jamie's Angels because they are three girls from different backgrounds, so they look like Charlie's Angels. You will see that these the girls, the digital dames who really did it, will show you that anyone can do it no matter the background. And inside the video course that I will show you later on, okay, you will see that they go very well in depth from everything like what for a name to choose, how to do it, where to buy, where to sell, how to bid, drive traffic, everything. Okay, it's very complete and very well structured. So if this is something that you're interested in, please stick with me because right now I'm going to go a little bit more into detail and I'm also going to show you the dashboard and everything step by step, okay? All the modules that are included and everything. Also have some awesome bonuses that I would like to share with you. But as I always say, guys, if you don't want to watch this whole video, you can go to my description, look for the timeline, and go straight to the part you want. Could it be the demo, the bonus part, whatever you want, okay? Also, just to remind you guys that in my description, there is a link to my bonus page where from there you can access the sales page, okay? You can see in more details all this product, the bonuses I'm offering, and then go to the sales page. It's mandatory for you if you want to get my bonuses that you buy through this link, okay? I'm also going to put a link of this in my fixed comment. Well, with this said, let's go into my bonus page so I can show you the prices, upsells, and also the bonuses I'm offering, okay? Alright guys, so here we are inside my bonus page. Okay, you will recognize because of my Digital Chaos logo on top here. Also my name here and my WhatsApp bubble where you can get in touch with me immediately if you have any questions or whatever, okay? So if we quickly scroll down below, and here we get to the prices for Golden Stash, okay? So the front end is Golden Stash and it costs $16.47, okay? Here you will access the powerful Golden Stash video course, training modules, and case study. Then we have the OTO number one, which is called the Golden Bullet, and it costs $29. Here, they will do all the hard work for you. They will give you 10 handpicked, ready to register, high-value domains in your chosen niche, okay? Access to a virtual assistant to help you posting your domain listing. 10 DFY email campaigns to send to potential buyers, and 10 DFY sales letters for your domain actions and or listings. This has a great value, guys, and it's not expensive at all. Then we have the OTO number two, Golden Buster. It costs $97. This is very interesting, guys, because you will here partner with them for 12 weeks. You will get access to their community and to their weekly live call. They will take you hand by hand to your online success. So this is what I would take personally. The rest is up to you, but I'm going to go through all of them anyways. The OTO number three is called Golden Egg. It costs $39. And these are done for you freshly handpicked today. A list of 20 fresh domain names for you to register. Then we go over to OTO number four is the Golden Bombshell. Again, $97. With this, you'll be able to take your domain business to the next level. They will give you a done-for-you website designed to sell your domains in your selected niche, and over to the shoulder step-by-step WordPress website setup. So you will have no problem to set up your website if this is what you're looking for. OTO number five is Golden Blaster. It costs $47. This will let their software to do the hard work for you to get unlimited traffic to your domain listings, okay? And finally, the OTO number six is the Golden Stash, which costs $97. This is reseller rights to Golden Stash. That means you can sell it if it would be your own one and keep 100% commission across the entire funnel, okay? Some key benefits is that you need no list to do this business, no funnel, no Google AdWords or PPC, whatever, no investment or money except the $10 to buy a domain, which is very cheap, and no time commitment and no experience needed. Anyone can do it, even the newbies. Remember, guys, if you want to secure your copy and your bonuses, you click on any of these yellow buttons that you will find in my web, okay? And these are instant delivery bonuses. So that means your bonus will be delivered automatically and you will find them next to your purchase files on Warrior Plus, okay? Okay, so if you scroll down, here we get to the part you like, the bonuses. So get Golden Stash now and get all my exclusive bonuses below. all of them, okay guys? I put together these special bonuses for you to help skyrocket your incomes with Golden Stash. Okay, so for example, the bonus number 1 is the Get the Auto Content Creator Machine. This is a multifunction tool that includes auto content creator, keyword research, blog posting, and more. So if you want to post your listing, this will be very helpful for you. It comes in a zip that you can download, okay? Bonus number 2 is called How to Boost Your Online Sales. Alright guys, this is a PDF, an ebook with over 50 pages, no gimmicks, no tricks, just very useful tips, over 101 tips that will show you how to boost your online sales for your listings with Golden Stash, okay? Now the bonus number 3 is access to SEO Studio. This tool will let you look at the competition links to see where you need to be in order to rank first or second or third in Google search pages, search results, okay? Very important also for your listings. Bonus number 4, access to Backlinks Warrior software. This software will find you high page rank relevant backlinks for your listings with a few clicks of your mouse. And finally, my bonus number 5, for all of you that take action now, access to all vendor bonuses, which I'm going to show you right now inside the dashboard of Golden Stash, okay? Remember guys, to access these bonuses, just click on any of these yellow buttons, okay, and you will get instant bonus delivery together with your purchase files on Warrior Plus. Alright guys, those were my bonuses. I hope you like them. Remember, if you want to get my bonuses with your purchase of Golden Stash, you have to click down in the description on the link that I'm putting you there, okay? Alright, so let's go now to see the product in the dashboard. Okay guys, so here we're inside Golden Stash dashboard. So as you can see, you have 10 modules and 29 lessons, so a lot of lessons within this course. First lesson is going to be the welcome, then you're going to have a mindset lesson. Then we have an introductions with 2 lessons. First one is domains for profits, and then when to choose .com or .io domains. Next module is called domain search and has 5 lessons. The first one is called section intro and overview, good domain name criteria, software to use, expired domain search, and new domain search. Then we go to the next module, and this one has 2 lessons. The first one is called evaluating domains and validating domains. You need to know the difference, okay? Then we go to the next module, and here we have 1 lesson that is buying domains. Finally, we get to the lessons where we're going to learn how to buy a domain. Then the next module, and very important, is about selling domains. This one has 5 lessons, okay? It's how to list on GoDaddy, how to list on Namecheap, how to list on Zero, how to list your domain on Flippa, and DNS record tutorial, how to drive traffic to your listings. Remember that I also give you some bonuses to drive traffic to your listing as well, okay? Then we have the case study of these 3 girls that has 2 lessons, the quick fire question and answers, and how to turn 10 into $250. Then we go over to the bonuses where you can claim all your bonuses here. The first one is the free STBot hack. Then we have Golden Stash checklist, 20 fresh WordPress plugins, and 180 kilo in 1 month case study. Then if we keep going below, you have the upgrades. In case you didn't get them before, you can get them now. You can get the golden bullet upgrade, the golden booster upgrade, the golden egg, blah, blah, blah. All the different upgrades. If you want to get them later, you can get them here, okay? And that basically is a very complete course, and you're going to love it. You're going to love the girls, you're going to love the case studies, and you will see this is real. If you implement everything that is in here, you will see results, guys. Guaranteed. Also, this goes with a 30 days money back guarantee, so you're covered, okay? Alright guys, and that was it. Remember that if you want to get Golden Stash and all the complimentary bonuses that I'm offering, you have to go down to my description or the fixed comment and click on that link, okay? So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, I invite you to give me a thumbs down, no problem. And also I will ask you to please subscribe to my channel here. And also that way you won't miss any future videos I upload with some great offers for you, okay? Thank you for staying all the way to the end with me. Stay cool, stay safe, and take it easy. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.